Greetings, Senior Master Reed here. We've got a lot of announcements, so let's get right to it. First of all, this Friday, 8/25, August the 25th, we have demo team tryouts for our A and B teams. The demo team tryouts will begin at 4:30 p.m. and run until 6 p.m. We recognize that some of our kids have got middle school and may get a little bit late. That's okay. Just make sure you guys are signed up. The cost for the tryouts is $25. And then once again, we have 2 teams that people are trying out for, specific numbers and so forth. Sensei John can talk more about that. After that, this Friday at 6:30 p.m., we have our White Belt Buddy Bash and new parent orientation. So if you have a child who is in a white uniform with a, or not white, have a white belt, then let's make sure you guys get in here so that we can go over all the aspects of our program, answer any questions that you might have, and make sure you guys are pushing forward to the right things, okay? This Saturday, we have a couple of workshops. We have a Tai Chi and Qigong workshop at 12 o'clock p.m. that I'm going to teach. And then we also have an adult self-defense class coming up at 1 o'clock p.m. That Sensei John and Sensei David and so forth will be working with. So let's get those things on the books and make sure everyone's ready to move forward. After that, Labor Day holiday is coming up, and so I believe that date is going to be on Saturday 9/2 and on Monday 9/4. September 2nd and 4th, we will not be open, so our staff can have a little time off, and so you guys can enjoy the weekend. And then on that Tuesday, we'll be back doing what we're doing. Now, after that, we've got just a whirlwind of things coming up. One, we have testing coming up in September, and one of the things that we're trying to make sure is that we have the opportunity to get everyone everything they need when they need it. So registration deadline is going to be on 9/8, okay? After 9/8, there's a $10 late fee for registration. So parents, please go ahead and get your registration in and payments made so we can take care of that right there. If you're a person who's behind on tuition or something like that, please speak with Sensei Blake so that he can make an arrangement, okay? So we have those things squared away because that's important to us. On the 15th, which is on a Friday, we have our Parents' Night Out for September, and it's going to be Nerf. Now, Nerf, if you guys know, is a big, big event. So make sure you get your kids signed up early and be ready to rock and roll. And then on 9/9, we have, which is September the 9th on a Saturday, we are going to have our open house, and we're super excited about our open house. We're going to have participation for kids' workshops in the morning. We're going to have a raffle drawing for one of those virtual reality headsets. I think that's really cool. We're going to have a youth demonstration. We're going to have Tai Chi and Qigong. We're going to have adult self-defense, and we're going to have tricking. Now, for my premier parents and my parents of kids who've already earned their black belt, tricking is a big thing, okay? Something all the kids like to do. That's where they jump in the air, flip and roll around and do 600,000 twirls and turtles, okay? But we are going to now begin to institute that into our curriculum, which means the kids will be able to do that in demonstrations and competitions. And then speaking of competitions, we have an invitation to come to Tennessee on November the 4th, which I believe is a Saturday, and compete in a PCL event. So those are the short announcements for today. Terima kasih, aloha, one love, PMA, baby, let's go.